And I'm waiting for 2 parcels from Jorvick or Jorvick. One is my trike and the other one is a spare seat with a backrest. Guess what came first? I haven't got the trike yet, but we'll have a look at this. Ooh. I ordered the seat because when I was there, it had this one fitted, different shape. Oh, that's the backrest. It was a different shape and it was a lot more comfortable. And it had the backrest, whereas the normal one, it hasn't got the backrest. And this, the seat that comes with it is more pointed. This is wide and it's a lot softer. So that should be a lot better. That one, what else we got? Oh, this one. That's to put your seat on. We'll get shut to that. Yep, that one. Put that there. And then this, oh, tied in a knot. Terrible knot. Come on. Yeah, I'm looking forward to receiving my trike, and even then you have to build it up. It doesn't come fully assembled, but I'm waiting for a phone call to arrange delivery. Adjustment, Allen key and a spanner, a red reflector, not very big. What's this one? Instructions, but you can't see them. Oh, there. Instructions. Installing the saddle with backrest. Right, I've just had a quick look at instructions. So this is the seat. I'm going to take these off. These are Allen keys. And then this part with the bracket is for the seat, which is that way. And you have to line those screw holes up with them screws. There's no seat, there's no post, so I wonder if you've got to take the post off the other one. You know, the other seat that comes with the trike. Oh, that's awkward. Just can't get your fingers in. Allen key. Get in. Yeah, the post, that must be attached to the other seat. So I'll have to, I don't know how that attaches. I'll have to wait and see when I get it. But yeah, I'm looking, I've ordered the JMT, which is mountain bike, trike, from Jorvick. It's the one with big fat wheels, 20 inch by 4 inch wheels, hydraulic suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, so it's going to be a lot better than the one I had before. The one I had before was the Mission E trike, but that was 20 inch wheels, but it was basic, no hydraulic brakes or anything. They were like, oh, just normal cycle brakes with the pads. So I'm looking forward to it, but practice at first to get used to it. Well, that seems tight. That seems okay. So that's that part on. Seat. The next thing is the backrest, which has got to go on there, and looks like a bracket that goes around there, so you can adjust it, and then goes on with that. Not much holding that on. Now, would that be the top or the bottom? Bottom. That on there. Get that through there. And then you've got to find the hole. Whoop. Bit fiddly. Could do with two hands. Well, I've got 2 hands. 4 hands. 2 people, I mean. Get in. Ah, got it. I think. Well, I think I've got it tight now, but that is a bit tricky, a bit awkward, because it tends to, it doesn't seem to fasten on very well just there, over that bit. Might have to try that again. That would be a bit awkward if you wanted to adjust it. Hopefully I've got it in a position where it's going to be okay. But that looks nice. It's got a little bit of plastic protection there from wear. I've got to get the post obviously off the other one. Make sure these are tight. And I'll be able to sit on that soon. I look forward to getting the bike. See you later. Stop recording.